Imagine a world where machines are super smart. Imagine machines that can help doctors find sickness, drive cars perfectly, and even teach people in amazing ways. AI can be a huge helper in many ways. Imagine AI doctors looking at pictures of people's insides and finding problems much faster. This could mean people get better care sooner. Self-driving cars could take us anywhere without accidents, making roads safer for everyone. Special AI teachers could help every student learn in the best way for them, making everyone super smart. But with all this power, there are some things to think about. We need to make sure AI machines are fair and don't treat people badly. We also need to keep our personal information safe, because AI uses a lot of information to work. Countries around the world are also working together to make sure AI is developed in a good way. AI isn't here to take our jobs, but to work with us as a team. Imagine a world where AI handles the boring tasks, leaving us free to be creative, solve big problems, and explore amazing new things. AI can be a super helpful friend, but it depends on how we use it. The future of AI is up to us. By making sure AI is developed carefully and fairly, we can use it to build a brighter future for everyone. What kind of future do you think AI can help us create? Leave a comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech talks.